Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Rosetta here, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to create this look. It's really easy to create, and the best part is I enjoyed filming this video for you guys. So if you guys are ready, let's begin. I'm starting with my eye makeup today, and for that I'm using a concealer to clean the area under my eyebrows, and also I'm going to apply this all over my eyelids and blend it well. Next, I'm going to set this with some loose powder. I'm going to pick up my favorite eyeshadow palette. This is the Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette, and from this palette I'm picking up the black color shade, and I'm going to apply this shade all the way on my crease line and the outer V. So you can see how I'm applying the eyeshadow in this area. And at this point of time, do not worry about the perfection because we are going to blend this anyways. Now once you're happy with the intensity, blend it so that we do not have any harsh lines. I'm adding some more color on the crease, and I'm also going to add some color on the outer corner and the inner corner of my eyelid. And make sure you avoid the center part of your eyelid, because there we are going to use a blue color shade. I'm again blending the edges. Now with the concealer, I am cutting the crease at the center and dragging it all the way down. Be very slow when you're doing this. It might take you some time initially, but once you get a hang of it, it will be a very easy process for you guys. I'm also going to blend the edges so that the transition is smooth. Just diffuse the edges. Next, I'm picking up my another favorite eyeshadow palette. This is the Nicka K eyeshadow palette. From this palette, I have also done a half cut crease eye look. If you haven't watched that video, I will share the link in the description box below, or you can check the I button above. Alright, so now taking the blue color shade, I'm going to apply this on the area where I have applied the concealer. And again, I'm diffusing the edges for a smooth transition. Here's a quick reminder while you watch this. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing guys, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you get updates of all my latest videos. Now along with diffusing the edges, I'm also intensifying the inner corner and the outer corner. Just dab the edges with your finger and then run the brush with nothing on it on the edges. Now let's quickly finish our base makeup, and for that I'm picking up my foundation and applying it all over my face and blending it with the Damn Beauty sponge. Next, I will use a concealer under my eyes and also on the high points of my face. Now this is a very important step to highlight and bring forward the best features of your face. And now blend it with the same beauty sponge. If you guys are not yet following me on Facebook and Instagram, and if you would like to be in touch with me on those platforms, my socials are listed below. Do check it out guys. If you guys are planning to recreate any of the looks which I have created on this channel, do tag me guys, I would love to see them. Moving on to the next step, I am applying the contour on my forehead, hollow of my cheeks, jawline, and blending it with the Damn Beauty sponge. Take time in blending guys, as I always say, blending is the key to flawless makeup. And now I'm dusting some loose powder, just a little, not too much. And for the lower lash line, I'm picking up the same black color shade and applying it all over my lower lash line, highlighting my brow bones and inner corner of the eyes. applying Kajal, curling my lashes and applying mascara. I'm not gonna apply my false lashes today. Now to add some color, I'm applying blush, again very little amount, and highlighting the high points of my face. Next I'm lining my lips. This is again a very important step before you apply your lipstick. And today I'm using the Nykaa Lipshade. This is a beautiful shade and it goes really well with this eyeshadow. And here is the finished look, guys. Alright guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If you did, don't forget to give me that big thumbs up. Share this video as much as you can. Also, do share your thoughts in the comment section below. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Take care of yourselves. I will see you soon with a brand new video. Bye guys.